Are you still drowning in clutter? What if I tell you that there's one simple rule to help stop clutter before it starts? Today, I'll be sharing the one in, one out rule, the fastest way to stop clutter. Welcome back to Taylrv. I'm Veronica Taylor, professional organizer and lifestyle coach, here to help busy professionals simplify their lives. The rule is simple. For every new item that you bring into your home, one old item has to be tossed or donated. No exceptions. This forces you to make intentional choices and keeps your home clutter-free. I'm going to share with you 3 items in your home that you can declutter fast. Do you have these? Now, like most people, we collect mugs from every aspect and walk of life. Whether you're going to a birthday party, whether you get a mug from work, and whether you get a mug for gifts. We all have mugs. The problem is we have more mugs than we normally use. A lot of people have so if you have about 40 mugs and you only use 5, the rest of those mugs are taking up space where you can be utilizing that for maybe some dishes or some everyday drinking glass. So you need to get rid of some of those mugs. How do you get rid of those mugs? Well, if you have old mugs that you've been drinking out of and they have stains and cracks and you go to wash them and you still have stains and cracks, they gotta go. That mug that you got from your cousin's birthday party named Kevin at his 50th birthday party, well, guess what? Kevin is now 62 years old. You can get rid of that mug. And you've been on your job 20, 35 years, and what you got was an appreciation mug that had candy, a pen, a pencil, a ruler, and a pad in it. And all those things has been used up. The chocolate is gone. The pen done ran out of ink. You have no more pages left in the pad. It's time to go. Also, if you have mugs sitting around the house filled up with your coins and the coins done flood over, it's time to roll those coins up, take them to the bank, cash them and put them into your account and toss that mug out. For any new mugs that you're bringing in, please take one mug out. It'll save you time, space, and it helps keeps balance of that space. The second item that you can declutter now is your clothing. As you see, these are the same pants. These are my newer pants. And these are my older pants. I haven't seen these. I haven't seen them or worn them in about 7 months. So these I'm going to donate. You can do the same. So if you have t-shirts, pants, dresses, and they are the same or of the same style, you can donate them or toss them out before you bring in new ones. Just keep in mind, if you get rid of 2 pieces of shirts, 2 pieces of pants, make sure you bring back in 2 pieces of shirts and 2 pieces of pants. Don't bring in more because it's going to throw off the balance of your wardrobe and it's going to start to clutter up your closet. Third item is if you have kids and they like to keep all their toys, teach them to donate one of their toys before they bring in a new toy. This will teach them responsibility and it'll help keep the overload of toys. I know, easy said and done. You can also try bringing them into your world and help them and have them help you declutter your closet and your wardrobe and say, hey, mommy or daddy has to get rid of some stuff before before we buy new things. And so if they see it, then they are more likely to try it themselves. So, are you ready for the one in and one out rule? Comment below and let me know, what are you decluttering first? And please like this video and subscribe to Taylrv for more organized and lifestyle advice. Bye.